సో అందరూ బాగా చూసి పెట్టారు.
Tapi angka depend on it. Chemistry what
Jaya right? Which is very different and it is awesome. Hats off to you all. So very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellency, students. How different is this morning? Very pleasant. Dear audience, you will yourself discover all the colors of Cultural Fest unfold today. Well, my first and foremost duty on behalf of the main Sheikh Jasmine of 3rd B Pharmacy will honor Sri K. Nasraya Garu with a bouquet. Sheikh Jasmine of 3rd year B Pharmacy. Thank you, sir. On this occasion, it is my honor, more than pleasure to welcome our honorable chief guest, Professor KPR Chaudhary Garu, M.Pharm PhD, former principal and head of the department of AU College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Dean Avyasri of 3rd B Pharmacy will honor Dr. KPR Chaudhary Garu with a bouquet. Thank you, sir.
And PhD in 1979 from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Professor KPR Chaudhary started his teaching career in 1977 as a sectoral committee, New Delhi, and Inspector PCI since 1980. Presently, Professor KPR Chaudhary Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Award for Best Academician of the Year in 2006 from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Best Researcher Award in 2000 from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Research Award in 2000 from Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, Mumbai. Professor M.L. Khurana Memorial Award for Best Research Paper in 2001 and 2004 from Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mumbai. Fellowship Award in 2007 from Association of Biotechnology and Pharmacy, India. Eminent Pharmacy Graduate Award in 2006 from IPCA. Eminent Pharmacist Award in 2004 from Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Professor KPR Chaudhary is an active life member of IPA, APTI and IPCA. He is a Fellow of Institution of Chemists, India. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Now, it is a great honor for me to invite our today's guest of honor, who is the Vice President of Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI, and Principal, ISN College of Pharmacy, Tenali, none other than Dr. K.V. Ramana Garu, M.Pharm, PhD, to come on to the dais and occupy the seat, sir. Pharmacy will honor Dr. K.V. Ramana garu with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now I request Chandana, our faculty member, to give a brief biodata of Dr. K.V. Ramana garu. Please, madam.
Dr. K. Venkatramana sir had his B.Pharm in 1993, M.Pharm in 1995, PhD in 2004. Sir published 28 national articles and various projects in national and international journals. Presently, as a Vice President of Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI, AP State Branch, Life Member in Indian Pharmaceutical Association, Mumbai, Life Member in Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI, Bangalore, Life Member in Indian Journal of Pharmacology,
Now I request our third B Pharmacy student, Vijay Raju, to give a brief note on Seshagiri Rao sir.
A few అవుతుంది. అలాగే 60 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్తో మొదలుపెట్టి ఈరోజు 100 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్తో రన్ అవుతూ ఒక లెజెండ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్గా మన ఎంఎం అనేది ప్రతి ఒక్కరి మైండ్లోనూ ఒక బ్రాండ్ నేమ్గా ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. ఇలాంటి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ని స్థాపించిన మన ఎంఎం అధినేత, డేరింగ్ అండ్ డాషింగ్ డైరెక్టర్, మన చైర్మన్ సార్ అయిన డాక్టర్ శేషగిరి రావు గారికి మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ తరఫున, మన ఫ్యాకల్టీ తరఫున అండ్ లౌడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ తరఫున కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుచున్నాము. ఇలాంటి గొప్ప వ్యక్తికి జన్మనిచ్చిన మహనీయులు కీర్తిశేషులు మేదరమెట్ల మస్తాన్ రావు గారు అండ్ శ్రీమతి అంజమ్మ గారులను అసలు నయనాలతో ఒకసారి అందరం మౌనంతో స్మరించుకున్నాం. ప్లీజ్ స్టాండ్ అప్.